I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by organizing files so Ltspice can find the model. Place the subct or lib file in the Ltspice lib /sub folder or next to your schematic. Open the file and confirm the subcircuit name. You will reference that exact name in the schematic. Once done, you know why this matters. Ltspice resolves subcircuit names to files, and mismatches cause errors. Make sure file encoding is plain text, and next, insert the component that will use the model and tie it to the subcircuit. You can place a generic symbol or create one, then right-click the symbol and set the value attribute to the exact subcircuit name from the file. Add a include directive to your schematic referencing the model file path, or use a full path only if needed. This approach tells Ltspice where the model lives and which subcircuit to instantiate, so your netlist will compile correctly. Finally, run the simulation and watch the control panel for errors. If it fails, open the generated netlist to confirm the include line and subcircuit instantiation match exactly. Troubleshoot by checking pin order in the sub definition versus symbol pins, correct any name mismatches, and ensure no extra characters or path issues. Once corrected, run a simple op or DC test to verify the device behaves as expected. This gives quick confirmation before full transient runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.